Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yep, I'm still here at the U-Pull-It place. But like I always say, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications, leave a comment down below, and look at all the other extra videos I got out there. Well, we're gonna walk you around some more and take a look at what's good and what isn't. Nice spray paint job. Ooh. Saturn view, those things were garbage. Somebody rattle can this thing to death. So this is what I mean by here in New York, everything rots out. I mean, look at that. Look how rotted that is. I mean, all through here. I mean, it's just everything is just let go because it's that rotted. That's why the southern cars with a lot of miles are worth good money here. Well, we're gonna walk around and see some more stuff. Who knows how many miles are on that? This one looks like it was come out of an auction or something. There's that old Volvo. Yeah, this was an insurance car. These cars you really don't see much of either. Last time it was on the road was back in 2009. So this car looks like it sat around forever. Yeah. 262,000 miles. Wow. Ran a long time before I wound up here. The seats are actually still in really nice shape. They'd clean up if somebody needed these. I'm just trying to find a really old, heavy hit stuff. Now these Jeeps, these used to be really nice back in the day, but they just got really bad gas mileage. What I mean by they just throw everything in them here. Oh, somebody took the airbag out of it and didn't want it. They just wanted the steering wheel. Old F-150. Oh, here you go. Nice heavy hit one. I've seen some of them. The one I seen about 2 years ago, the motor was literally in the front seat. Look at that whole upper frame rail all crunched in. Man. Well, they cut the side off of it to get the door out of it. Or the door's even open for that matter. Yeah, it's all filled up with crap. Airbags are blown. Gee, this one looks like somebody was living in it. Want some sneakers? Some yarn. Ooh. Yeah, this Ford Focus. Look how bad that was hit. If anybody survived out of this, God loved you. You can see where like it, I don't know what it hit, but it was something, you know, with a something square or whatever. Wow. I mean, looking down here where my left footed, this is where the floor pan should be. And that's over by like 1.5 feet. Wow. Good God. And you can tell this is a newer one too, because, well, within the past 6 months, because there's the mask right there. Wow. And judging by the marks on the seat right there, I don't think they survived. So this is definitely a biohazard car. You guys wanted to see a biohazard car in the junkyard? Here you go. Because here, they don't care. You can run around in these cars all you want. And that's nasty. Look at the roof. This car is V-shaped. Wow. definitely what the car is supposed to look like. But even when they're rotted out like this, I mean, this car is so heavily rotted, I can put my fingers up in there. So, I mean, even if this car wasn't rotted, you weren't going to survive in it anyways. Man. All right. You can always tell the cars that always had engine problems because they always leave oil in them. This one looks like it was an old taxi. Yeah, old taxi or maybe a cop car, who knows. These front-wheel drive Cadillacs, those things weren't that good either. Man. There's another one that was hit. A Caliber. I mean, this is a prime example of these cars are made to fold up. Wow. Yeah, where my foot is, this is where the front end's supposed to be. From that far over. Man. Trying to squeeze in here. Whew. I mean, the floor pan is a little wrinkled up too. Look at that. The pedals are actually pushed forward. That's how hard this car got hit. So if you were in this car and you got in an accident, you might have broke a foot, an ankle, or a leg. And they would take all the parts and just throw them in here. Wow. I mean, just look at that. The floor is wrinkled up. I mean, that's the brake pedal right there, and it's sideways. That's how bad it is. I'm hitting the rear end a little bit too, but I don't think that was the worst of it. Jeez. Yeah, these cars, man, I mean, they fold up way too easy. Yeah, there ain't much to save you anymore. PT Cruiser. Hey, look at that. Somebody left some screwdrivers. I have more screwdrivers at home than I know what to do with. Yep. Crap. A Charger. Yeah. Not hit. I can see on this side, yeah. But they tore a lot of things out of it that they needed. Yeah, the motor probably went. Yeah, 6-cylinder. Yeah, it wasn't even hit. Just motor probably went, and somebody just didn't have the money to repair it. You can hear the trains in the background. Yeah, this is, they just squish them like this once they get out everything they need, and where they go from there, who knows. Well, like I said before, they don't stay here long, a couple of weeks, and they, you know, let the customers get what they want, and then they just core out everything else they need out of it, and that's it. So I thought there was an actual plant growing out of this truck. And another one hit the Nissan. Not as bad as all the other ones. That's a big muffler. Jeez. And this thing has got to be 2.5 feet long. And then they ripped this car apart too. And so you can see right here, this big empty space. This is when, you know, they clear out all the cars that were in this row, core out what they need, and then after that they just crush them and turn them into that. So, man. Like, some of these cars are so squished you can't even tell what they are. Most of them you can. When they put that orange cone on the roof like that, somebody probably wanted to take the motor or the transmission out of it. And the guys will come a little later and just cut it out. Yeah, Grand Cherokee. I used to love these trucks back in the day, but like I said, good old New York State, that's what happens to the frames. Everything just rots out here if you don't take care of it. You know, wash them and polish them up. Because if you don't, they're going to rot out like that. Undercoat them every year here, you have to. Just because you can put undercoating on it once doesn't mean it's going to last forever. No, that is a one season deal. Other than that, man, a lot of guys will take out little fuses and things like that. The heck is it, a Isuzu? Yeah, a Isuzu. I haven't seen one of these in a long time. I don't know if it's been hit on the other side. Yeah, a little bit, but could be saved. And the interior is still not in bad shape. Somebody needs some leather seats. Better get to them before the rain and all the snow gets to them, man, because they'll become garbage real quick. Yep. I mean, they just tear the front ends right off of them to get to whatever. And plates like this, a lot of guys don't care. They'll just cut away or smash to get to whatever the heck they need. So, oof. Yep. Cherokee, they were nice back in the day, but not anymore. Yeah, this is how bad they rot out here. Not much holding this on. I mean, even on the front end, this is what happens to the fenders. A lot of these guys will put these wide ones on there and you gotta puncture the metal. And when you pierce the steel like that, it's an open wound. Yeah, somebody needed a seat. Alright guys, I'm going to cut this one here. I'm going to do some more walking around, do some more filming. So please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.